Hello, hello. Yeah, everyone. Hello. Good evening. This is Vivek. Welcome to IT Coding Park. In this video, we have a last video seen some Java interview question. Most importantly, focus on the platform dependent and independent questions. Okay. Now I am sharing my screen. And now in this video, I had already prepared some questions and answer for you, at least 5 questions. Okay, in this video we will discuss only 5 questions. Okay, these questions are most important and the mostly asked the interviewers to the. Okay, so now we will see. This is the mostly common question. This is the most common question. This. This is the most common question. What is the question? What are the primitive data type and their default value? What is the data type? In Java, we have only 4 data type. Sorry, in 8 data types. First is byte. Second is sort, int, float, double, character, and boolean char. Shortcut in the char. Okay, and byte contains 1 byte. Okay, sort contains 2 byte, int contains 4 byte. It depends on operating system, which operating system you are using. It's vary from that. Like int data type, int in the windows 32 version, it taking 2 byte data. If you are using 64-bit Windows operating system, then it takes automatically 4 byte. This is the reason. Okay, that's why somewhere it's 2 byte. Long, it depends totally on operating system. Okay, long data type 8 byte. Okay, and 4 byte and 8 byte and 2 byte and character 1 byte. What is the default value? This is the most important, mostly asked from the interviewer. What is the default value of a character data type? Simply say space, byte space it contains. Okay, what is the byte space it contains? Okay, so now now this is the next question. What is the role of class loader in Java? What is the role of class loader in Java? Anyone know? Anyone? Okay, class loader in a Java, we have 3 type of class loader. How many types of class loader? We have 3 type of. First is the system class loader. Second is the extension class loader. Second is extension class loader. What is the extension class loader? And the third one is the bootstrap class loader. What is the hierarchy of this? If you want to execute your program, then JVM should load some predefined classes, some predefined libraries into the memory. So we required loaders. Uh, then that the rule performed by the loaders. Okay, so loader first. If you want, suppose you have one dot class like test dot class file you have. If you want to execute, if you try to execute, then system class loader it's find inside the system. First it will search the loader inside the system class loader. First JVM search the file. First JVM search the file inside the system class loader. If by mistake otherwise system class loader does not contain the test.class file, then it will go to extension class loader JVM. It will go to the extension class loader and search from the extension class loader. If also there is no file existed test.java, then it will go bootstrap class loader. Then it will go bootstrap class loader. Are you hear me? Then you go bootstrap class loader. If both places are your dot class file is not existed, both places our dot class file is not existed, then it will give to the exception, then it throw the exception, then it will throw the exception. What is the exception in the 1.6 version? The Java gives to you only one exception, class not found exception. Nowadays the most exception called class def found error kind of exception it will give once you try it. Okay. Hmm. So now some a Java program is made up of a number of custom classes, okay, written by the developer, or core classes written by the prepackaged with the Java. When program is executed, JVM needs to load the content of all needed class. JVM uses class loader. That's why I'm saying to you this is the reason. And what is the process? When JVM needs to find a class, it start with the system class loader. If it is not found in if it is not found, it checks with the extension class loader. If it is not also find there, then it goes to the bootstrap class loader. Are you with me? If class is still not found, then JVM throw the exception. Whatever exception you will check. This is the question. This is the mostly asked question from the from interview. Okay. Next, what is boxing? Unboxing, autoboxing. What is first? We will understand boxing and unboxing. First, we understand boxing and unboxing. Boxing means the concept of representing the primitive data in the form of its equivalent, the corresponding object. Wrapper class object is called boxing. What is the it called boxing like that? This is the primitive S1. You can box the your data inside the primitive class, by using trim method. Trim method existed in the string class. Okay, it removes the white spaces as one dot trim. Then it's the boxing. Then this concept is boxing. You are performing the here is boxing. Now you are performing. Now here you are performing the boxing. Okay. Now here you are performing boxing. Next, unboxing, the concept of getting back to actual primitive data present inside the object. Like inside the wrapper classes present the data. If you want the data back into the equivalent corresponding primitive data values is known as unboxing. First boxing, then unboxing. सिंपल है, किसी चीज को पैक करो, उसे खोलो, बाहर निकालो. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? Now here you packed some object. I packed the S1 object into the integer class. Okay. And now here I am unpacked the string into the integer data type. Then you can perform this operation like integer I equals to new integer s1 dot trim method. This is the boxing kind of thing. This is the boxing. Okay. This is the boxing. And this is the unboxing. This is the first you perform the boxing, then you can unbox. Nah, directly how you can unbox it? Not, you cannot. Yeah, you cannot. Directly you cannot perform the unboxing kind of concept. First you packed something, then they unpacked. Nah, are you getting my point? The same here. Int I1 equals to I dot int value. Int value, it means unboxing I value, which is present in the I, which value is present inside the I reference variable. Then it will unbox into the I1, then it will print the value 1, 2, 3. Then it print value integer. If you want to see the example, then copy and paste. Like S1 equals to 1, 2, 3 boxing. Perform the boxing integer dot light stream dot trim dot method. Okay, and here integer into the value. Here is the unboxing. If you want to perform some operation, I want to perform inside the operation in the operation I1 value. So I1 add 3. If you want to add 3, then 3 3 6 1 2 6. Here output is 1 2 6. You can also write down it here. Now our main concept, our main topic inside the Java. What is the auto boxing and auto unboxing? The concept auto boxing is a JVM automatically is the converting primitive data into the wrapper class object is called auto boxing. Like if you perform like that, if you perform integer I equals to 12, then it boxing, it internally perform this the JVM internally perform this operation. ठीक है? Good. The next auto boxing, unboxing, auto unboxing. The concept of sorry, of spelling is wrong. Okay, no issue. Auto boxing is the JVM. It auto unboxing corresponding converting wrapper class into the primitive type is called auto unboxing. If you want like this, 10 is the integer type. Okay, you perform this line. Okay, now here this line. I want to perform some operation into this. I this plus a new integer that into value. It perform internally. This is the example of auto boxing and unboxing. Okay. Now come here. This is the important. What is the difference between string and string buffer? We have majorly both classes present inside the java.lang. Both classes are presented. Only major difference is the mostly ask the interviewer. String is the immutable object, string buffer is the mutable object. Immutable, it means to you cannot modify the value. You cannot modify the value. Existing value you cannot modify. If you are trying to modify, it will create a new object. It will create the new object. String follow the string constant pool concept. If you create the string object, then it will create two copy of the object. First store in the string constant pool, second is the store in the memory. So this is only okay. Okay. No. This is the theory here. You can collect it. This is the example. You can collect it. Then the value of the S1 is not modified. Okay. Here. Come here. String is the mutable object. That means once string object is created, we cannot modify the string object. If we trying to modify the string object, then it won't be create a new object. Create, sorry, not then it won't, but it create new object. Okay, not modify, but it create new object. It create a new object here. You try to modify now this value as 1. If you assign this value inside the one reference variable, one thing, remember one thing, inside the quotation, if you place any type of value inside the quotation, then it's object. Okay, this type of object is string type of object. Okay, the value of S1 is not modified. In the above example, results should be assigned to a new reference variable. If you assign to the new reference variable, then it will create the object. Then the two different copies it will there. Okay. String buffer is the mutable. String buffer is the mutable object, then means we can modify an object. We can modify an object string buffer as we new string buffer, like that. SB dot append, SB dot append UB, then output is SB. This is the example. Okay, this is the example. Create public statement test class S1 equals to X by Z. S1 dot concat, S2 dot concat, SV dot. Then if you want to print the S2 value, then it perform the operation. It it is not modify data. It creates the new object. What is the new object? New object, which is not a new object. It is the reference to. It reference to pointing to the same object, but reference is the two. Okay, why? Because we have two copies. One is inside the string constant pool, second in the heap memory. Okay, then you can print like xyz, xyz. Okay, okay, s2, not x2, x2 here xyz. This is the wrong output. Wrongly concat. Here is the operation concatenation is performed. Okay, string buffer sb equals to new string buffer s by z. SB dot append AC system dot out dot println. Okay, this is the all about 5 question. Okay, so thank you. So you can join. You can send me the request. You can send me the request. My Facebook page. I take a study park. You can send me the request. Then you will get these type of question, and this video uploaded here. Then you will get it. Now I will upload it. Now recently I will upload it. Okay, don't worry. Here. Okay. Here. Java series playlist. Go inside the playlist. Inside the playlist, you can watch it. This only one video is there. Lastly, we have discussed 5 question, most important 5 question. गेम ओवर हमने खत्म कर दिया था जावा प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट. अगर ये वीडियो देख के नहीं समझ में आया ना, तो फिर कहीं समझ में नहीं आने वाला आपको. ठीक है, ये वीडियो और ये अपना MCAT लिटमस और कोक्यूब्स क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड चल ही रहा है. जिसको वो पढ़ना हो तो वो पढ़ सकता है. ठीक है, थैंक यू. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe यार my channel. Please support me. यहाँ जो भी है सब free of cost. Don't worry. I will not charge single paisa. I will not charge. I don't want money from your side, bro. I don't want money from your side. Just I am sharing my knowledge what I have. That's it. Okay. So thank you.